Hello everyone, how are you doing? Now today we're looking at the ABO blood group system, and the ABO blood group system divides blood into 4 different groups, namely group A, group B, group AB, and group O. Now the difference between the blood groups is really the presence of antigen A and or antigen B. Now an antigen is any substance that can trigger an immune response within the body. So in other words, it's trigger the production of antibodies. And so today we're going to use different shapes to present the antigens just to make it easier to follow. And so let's go into blood group A. Now for blood group A, on the red blood cells, we have antigen A. However, in the plasma, we have our antibody B. Now, antibodies attack and destroy antigens. But because of the difference in shapes between antigen A and antibody B has no effect on antigen A. And so therefore, they can coexist in the blood without any problems. Now let us put this in a summary table. So we're going to represent our blood group A, representing the red blood cell. On that red blood cell, we have antigen A, while in the plasma, we have antibody B. Now let's look at group B. And for group B, on the red blood cells, we have our antigen B. However, in the plasma, we have antibody A. Again, because of the difference in shapes, antibody A has no effect on antigen B. So therefore, they can coexist in the blood without any problems. Now let us put this in a summary table as well. So by the end, we're going to fill out this chart. And so we present our blood group B by representing the red blood cell with antigen B and antibody A within the plasma. All right, let's look at the blood group AB. Now, the blood group AB has antigen A and also antigen B attached to the red blood cells. Now, if we have antigen A and antigen B on the red blood cells, then think about it. We cannot have any antibodies within the plasma because the antibodies will attack one or both of them. So once we have both antigen, there's no antibodies. All right, and that is for the AB group. Let us put this in our chart as well. So our red blood cells with both antigen A and B, and in the plasma, there is no antibodies at all. Now for our final group is group O. Now group O is really special because there's no antigen on the red blood cells. However, in the plasma, we have both antibodies A and B, and it makes perfect sense because if there was any antigen at all, then the antibodies, one or both of them, will be attacking that antigen. All right? All right, so let's quickly put this in our chart. And so what we have here is our red blood cell with no antigen on it at all. However, in the plasma, we have both antibodies, which is antibody A and antibody B. All right, so I hope this was really cool. And, I really like this lesson, to be honest with you. Really, really cool stuff about the blood. And so at the end of it, I really thank you. Really, really thank you for watching. And I want to tell you that, hey, listen, blood makes you related, but loyalty makes you family. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Take care of each other. Love yourself.